And that is quite. And all the faculty members are very good, because I never expected that such a friendly manner and focused way. The Swapnil, you, and Mr. Kachave himself, and so many faculty members I have seen. They are dedicatedly working and continuously improving the contents. That because I have gone through the learning portal, the earlier session versus this session, the visible changes can be there.
Hmm.
Even I am seeing in the LinkedIn and all those things, I am following Mr. Kachave and all those things. He is coming daily basis with some new concepts and new things. You won't believe, now I got an offer from an organization called Institute of Project and Engineering as a VP of Digital Transformation and VP Operations. So that negotiation is going on. I am their teacher and they are my students because those are the all PhD doctorate professors. Okay, so they are something and something, because see, I am also learning here. I have told them clearly that see, I am a new learner, and whatever I am learning and what I am practicing, I am just into you. So they have asked me that from where you are doing and all those things. So I told that Be10x is the we have seen about that. Uh, and you can also try for the better knowledge and better upgradation and all those things.
Welcome, Panna sir. Welcome. I welcome you to this today. Please introduce yourself.
Having since last 25 years of working experience in project environment. So it's all together about mega projects, whatever it may be. I started my career in a year 2000. Yes, 2000. I have started my career in construction itself. Construction. So at that time, I was in ground supervision, and slowly the elevation happened, and I moved to Tata Projects. From the earlier, that first organization was Stewards and Lawyers. It was subsidiary of Tata Steel, and then I moved to Tata Projects to get some more flavor and more understanding about the mega projects and how multi projects can be handled single-handedly. Those possibilities were there in Tata Projects. I'm not finding myself what is the next. Okay. Though I was getting salary and everything, but somehow that was, uh, you know, that was not very giving me very comfort. It was feeling like that I am becoming in a comfort zone, and some my internal creativity and all those things are getting vanished. So I approached to my organization. Then organization told me that you must be knowing that Tata Group is nowadays not doing very well in the steel sectors and others. And told me that you need to sit back for some time, because now this sort of initiatives company cannot fund anymore and all those things. So that was a shocking for me. I waited for another 3 months, then again approached. Is there any opportunity? Told no. Then I thought that then I should come out, because things are becoming stagnant. But when I have decided to come out, and I had come out in March 31st, immediately I started thinking, okay, what next? Then I found that AI is coming just like anything, and it is the only weapon now to proceed further. And believe me, that point of time, I didn't have any opportunity with me. Okay, I was a freelancer sort of thing and all those things. And I decided that I will only learn, and then implementation will start. By that time, Be10x, all those things I was seeing in the mobile and all those things, I had attended one or two classes, and that was quite amazing. And I thought that I should focus on here. First, let me understand about AI, and then I can plan in a better way that what should be my move. Because domain expertise and all those things already I am having. The thing what is missing, that latest trend of technology. So Be10x, I found a good platform over there, and the faculty members and all those things. I think I have, because your face also looking like somebody was taking our class. Are you also faculty member of
I
ours?
I have I have taken an SQL class. Yes.
Right. So SQL class was also very good class, and
Mhm.
as I was previously done the RTPMS diploma in SQL. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the front end was on PP. So that was a quite refreshing session for me and a new
Ah, that's nice to
way of
hear.
thinking. And that is quite. And all the faculty members are very good, because I never expected that such a friendly manner and
Mhm.
focused way. The Swapnil, you, and Mr. Kachave himself, and so many faculty members I have seen. They are dedicatedly working and continuously improving the contents. That because I have gone through the learning portal, the earlier session versus this session, the visible changes can be there.
Hmm.
Even I am seeing in the LinkedIn and all those things, I am following Mr. Kachave and all those things. He is coming daily basis with some new concepts and new things. The most important part, what I have achieved in the short span of time, after I have started that AI classes and all those things, I have just started doing the assignments what were given in these things. And while doing the achievement, these assignments, I tried those things personally in my LinkedIn profile, in my networks, and all those things. And you won't believe now I got an offer from an organization called Institute of Project and Engineering as a VP of Digital Transformation and VP Operations. So that negotiation is going on. And
Mhm.
most important part, what I have achieved is the achievement for me. I have taken a session on AI on this Jharkhand Institute of Technology, JIT, to the faculty members who were basically assistant professors and professors. Around 400, 500 total faculty members joined across the universities and colleges, and they have appreciated and they have signed off a MOU with that organization where I have gone for this lectureship. The 4 years continuous learning session will be going there. It's a fully government sponsored thing, and
Mhm.
that's very nice. And today I am finding that still today the students, I rather it is very shameful to say that uh, I am their teacher and they are my students because those are the all PhD doctorate professors. Okay, so they are something and something because see, I am also learning here. I have told them clearly that see, I am a new learner, and whatever I am learning and what I am practicing, I am just bringing into you. So they have asked me that from where you are doing and all those things. So I told that B10x is the. Well, we have seen about that. Uh, and you can also try for the better knowledge and better upgradation and all those things. So the price and all those things that was really appreciating for me, and it means a lot for me. You know. And this last offer, what I am getting because the negotiation is going on,
Mhm.
I'll be joining probably in next 3 4 days. I'll be joining over there.
Mhm.
So as a VP operations and digital transformation initiative. And because see, AI was the only initiator for this thing. I will tell you why they have done all those things because the total digital project management system concept and all those things, uh, the architecture and how I will materialize, everything was demonstrated through notebook alone.
Um, would you like to share with us some moment when it clicked? Ki, okay, I can use AI for this, or this was mind blowing, or this was amazing. Any such moment that you would like to share with us?
I find that any presentation, anything, any document, whatever this is requirement for my personal purpose or for some organizational purpose, I am finding those things are just a click, it is getting ready. Even the
That's
Jharkhand University Technology program, if anytime possible, I will share you the program module that was also designed in AI and that was submitted within 10 minutes of time.
oh, that's amazing. That's amazing.
That's I mean, I'm telling you because whatever I have learned, maybe 1% I have learned. Still, lots of things are there, but that 1% given me made me at least 80 to 90% of me.
That's amazing. That is the kind of change that we are trying to show that AI can bring in the lives of people. That even if you are at 5% in AI, you are 90% in terms of your productivity. That's
Yes.
amazing to hear, Panna sir. Is there anything that you would like to tell to those people who are trying or who are thinking about joining B10x?
The question is, there will be lot of platforms and all those things, and I have searched lot of platforms also during this. And practically speaking, I have burned my fingers on those things. So choosing the right guru, right platform is also equally important to improve ourselves. So it is our choice that who is the right. So B10x has such a facility that they then don't tell कि भाई आपने ये कर लिया, आप मेरा यहाँ पर कल से ज्वाइन कर लो. No. So they are taking a webinar session, they are taking an introduction, they are giving all about the teachers full. Then it is your call, you will come or no. Okay, and I have not seen such a follow-up shot of things, because there are lots of follow-ups are coming to me right now because I have tried earlier. Still they are following up. I have told that way I've already got engaged somewhere. Okay, so these things. So people should understand that where there is a value, then people will not start knocking door here and there. The audience, the learner will automatically come there, and I think B10x is under the correct one.
That's very encouraging and very inspiring to hear. Thank you very much, Panna sir.